Now for the awkward part, an introduction. We're live.
Okay.
My YouTube channel.
Yes.
Oh, you'll need to turn that off.
Silence all cell phones.
It's gonna be going off. You ready?
Hey!
I don't know how to do these.
Well, what are we doing today?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my husband Devin.
Hey.
He's gonna be helping me with this unboxing today. And I'm excited for this one because I'm pretty sure it's one of their new packs. It's called the Happiest Pack on Earth.
And who's this from?
It's from Kosei Threads. So this is my third box from them. I ordered a shoe box from them, which I did not film, unfortunately, because I feel like that was one of my most successful boxes. I got a lot of Converse, Keds, and Vans. And Vans are very popular, it seems like. Those ones sold very quickly.
And these boxes are for resellers?
Yeah, they're focused on resellers. I'm excited to see about this one because I think it's based on Disney, and Devin and I are big Disney fans. We go to Disney World all the time. And I also think it's also seasonal based items as well. I think they mentioned like Christmas and Halloween. So I think it's a little mix of
right up our alley.
Fun
That's stuff we love.
Yeah.
And stuff that sells well.
Yeah. So it's 20 items.
Okay.
And it was $66. What is the cost of goods for 20 items?
$3.30 each.
He's the math guy. Do you want to do the honors?
Yeah, let me do it. What are we looking to get here?
I really am a big fan of Spirit jerseys. So if there's a Spirit jersey in here, I'd be very happy. All right. Dun, dun, dun. Right off the bat, it looks very Christmassy, right?
Yeah.
What's the first item?
So, going Christmas.
Here's the Christmas one. It is...
Looks cozy.
It's just called Holiday Time, so it's
super
generic.
stretchy, super soft.
Yeah, it has a little reindeer on it.
Gotta love that. Good start.
Looks like another Christmas item. Should we move this?
Yeah.
Ooh, I like this. Oh, it looks vintage. The tag is really neat. It's called Bravo.
You can always tell if something's good by the tag.
Focus. Yeah, Bravo. It's a size small. Has Santa Claus with a reindeer. That's kind of cute.
So very holiday themed.
Yeah, it is. Oh, Abercrombie and Fitch. Christmas sweater.
I like girls that wear Abercrombie and Fitch.
I like girls that wear Abercrombie and Fitch.
Okay.
We were just thinking that. I like it. It's very soft too. Abercrombie and Fitch. Size small.
Okay.
A shirt. What is it? Is it Disney?
Do you not know? It is Bleecker and Mercer.
Bleecker and Mercer. It looks like a nice quality shirt though.
Yeah, nice stretch to it. Good quality.
I don't know what this has to do with the holidays or Disney.
It's just happy. It's just a happy thing.
Oh, it makes you feel good.
It's just fun.
You grab the next
all right. Let's see what we got here.
Ooh,
Okay.
Disney. It has sequins on it. Looks like everything's pretty much there.
It's all there. Yeah, no sequins falling off. All right, so we've got 3 Christmas, 1 Disney, 1 Happy.
Here is a very Animal Kingdom.
Yeah, that's fun. Good call.
Fun like cheetah,
Super soft.
zebra print, Mickey Mouse.
Sweet. All right, looks
This
like
one
that's
looks-
2
this one looks
Disney.
cool.
Here's another Disney.
Ooh. I like it actually. I might keep it.
Okay, very cool. Yeah, it's got that kind of like workout vibe.
And I love the
And
tank top.
now, can we confirm whether this was cut or whether that is?
I
It's
don't
got to
know.
be made that way. All right, 3 Disney, 3
I
Christmas.
mean, I probably won't sell that one. I'll probably keep it.
Okay, that's the beauty of this
You
hobby.
find things you like.
Is getting things you like.
What is that?
Okay, it's
thought it was-
a graphic tee.
Wait, what?
Yeah, Revolution leader Che Guevara.
What does that have to do with?
Nothing. Well, it's just another. I guess it's just graphic tees. All right, so that's 2 graphic tees.
That was random.
Okay, next Adidas butterfly swirl. It kind of looks Rorschach a little bit. Like it looks a little bit like ink block test.
Yeah, it looks like some kind of collab they did. It's like another Christmas sweater.
Okay, yeah, that one's fantastic.
Does it light up? It has a little cord on it.
See what we got here.
No.
I'm not getting any power to replace these batteries.
Christmas sweater,
Okay.
lights up.
Very nice.
Just
It's
needs
got
new
a
batteries.
to from label on the top so you can give it away.
This one looks fun.
Gotta be Halloween, right?
It's
Oh
gotta-
no, Lion King dress.
Ooh, a Lion King dress.
That's
yeah.
fun. Thank
Oh,
you
it's
for-
Her Universe. That's
Okay.
a good brand. Yeah, so this should do well. It has pockets.
It has pockets.
Yeah, nice.
Babe loves a dress with pockets.
I do. This one looks Halloween.
Yeah, I don't know if you get resellers have caught on, but Halloween seems to do really well.
Yeah.
People are always shopping Halloween stuff.
People love
I think of all the holidays. I mean,
spooky.
obviously Christmas is pretty big, but I think Halloween seems to do. Those items go the quickest, it seems.
So it's just a haunted house with witches and jack-o'-lanterns.
That's right up somebody's alley. Somebody's gonna want that. You're gonna find a new home for that one.
Just a Christmas one.
Okay, generic Christmas. Yep.
Merry Christmas. So next we have
Holiday leggings.
Santa leggings. Feel how nice they are though.
Yeah,
It's
they're
like-
pretty good. No boundaries. Bringing the heat.
Yeah.
Love it. The best way to spread Christmas cheer is singing loud for all to hear. Buddy the Elf shirt.
Yeah. It is a little cracky.
Warren, you have to add that in the description. I feel like these nostalgic things like Buddy the Elf stuff is flooding the market. It seemed like last Christmas you were seeing Buddy shirts everywhere. So what's next?
Tie-dye.
Okay, Star Wars graphic tee.
Ooh.
With Vader.
I like the split in it.
Very cool. Disney Parks shirt actually, so that's
Okay.
cool. That brings us some value. Anything Disney Parks people are pretty
And Star Wars
interested
too.
in Star Wars, yeah.
It's like cropped. Like a cropped mini mouse long sleeve. I don't know.
All right, how about another Christmas sweater?
How about that?
This should just be the Christmas box, really.
Seriously.
Okay, that's fantastic.
What is it?
It says I'd put out for Santa. That's awkward. But that's greatness, and that's sure to make somebody smile at your next Christmas party. Is this the last one?
It looks like it. Oh, no.
Okay, 2 more.
Although those look identical.
Looks like you got a matching set. Forever 21.
What size is that one?
I've got a large over here.
This one's a medium. So I could sell them in the same listing, but have one be large and another one be medium. You got all 20 items, mostly Christmas related.
Mostly Christmas.
There's one Halloween?
So, and then, yeah, what did they call this box? They called it the Happiest Pack on Earth.
Yeah, and they said Christmas,
Wholesale.
Halloween, and Disney, I think was what they...
Okay, kind of a mix. And some random graphic tees.
Yeah, I don't...
Adidas.
What was that?
Revolution Leaders, yeah.
What was that?
Cozy boxes in general,
Yeah.
you've loved your cozy boxes.
Yes.
You wanted to try this new kind, and so now you're feeling like this one maybe didn't measure up to the other boxes that you've tried out.
Yes, it did not measure
Yeah.
up to the,
Now,
the
you didn't
shoebox.
pay too much, right? It's
No.
only $66. Like we
Yeah.
said, we've got $3.30 invested into
Yeah.
each item. So
And I think there's a few good solid items in here, like the Abercrombie & Fitch sweater. I feel like can do well. It's very soft, good quality. Maybe this holiday season, more people are going to be throwing parties and getting together more, so they're going to want sweaters.
I mean, you're at the right time. You've got it, your
Yeah.
inventory up now. You've got enough to offer. So if you're looking for inventory filler, you know, it's a decent box. Get you something like that. But if you can make 16 or like $15 on like 6 of them out of the 20,
And make the
you know, that'll make your
it back.
$10 a piece. You know, like
Yeah.
roughly, you'll kind of get that $60
Be
back, and then you'll still have some inventory and stuff. So what was your favorite?
Abercrombie & Fitch.
That's your favorite?
This was my favorite.
I'm
I mean,
gonna-
I might keep it. Wear it to
See, I might keep
Alaska.
this. I like this. I definitely put out for Santa.
I'll
Some
let
Earth?
you choose the box next time.
Yeah, okay, good. But as far as cozy boxes, decent haul, 20 items. Maybe we'll at least sell the revolutionary shirt. I mean, at the very least, we should probably turn that one on.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
See you in the next one. Bye.